Welcome back. Let's say you're a veteran with an issue like PTSD and you're having difficulty adjusting to life after discharge, and perhaps you get into some legal trouble. Well, in this area, there's a justice system for those vets who qualify and a series of steps to heal. It's called Veterans Treatment Court. I sat down with Judge John DeMarco.
Veterans have unique problems separate and apart to a significant extent from the other defendant population.
Judge John DeMarco says most vets in the criminal justice system are there because of issues involved with their military service, like post-traumatic stress or military sexual trauma. Vets Court is designed to assist with certain legal troubles stemming from service.
In simple terms, we get at the root of the problem, hopefully make sure that when the process is finished, they don't return to court.
The process involves matching a veteran with a veteran mentor. The time frame from arraignment to graduation is 12 to 18 months. In that period, the veteran remains sober, completes community service, and gets a degree or certification.
But perhaps most importantly, they will have developed a support system.
That system can be the VA, Veterans Outreach Center, their treatment providers, or anyone else they work with in their journey.
And if there were to be some type of a relapse or difficulty, support will be right there to pick them back up.
Thank you to Judge DeMarco, of course.
They're one of our most valuable assets because they've worn the uniform, they've protected our country. I think they deserve our best attention.
Judge DeMarco did highlight some of these services at the Veterans Outreach Center on South Ave in Rochester. There, a veteran can find job skills, clinical help, and job opportunities. Your local VA can also be of assistance.